Good morning, guys. Listen, I'm in New York. They announced there's gonna be a snowstorm over here, and it's looking bad. And they might have to close all the roads. I have a lot going to Kentucky, so I'm gonna try to show you guys the road, and you know it's dangerous out here, man. It really is. So I'm gonna take my time because I got my family home, so I need to go back to them safe. So I'm gonna take my time and I'm gonna show you guys how the road is looking. Let's go. Alright, guys, listen. So we gotta be careful, man. That's what I'm talking about. This is why I gotta be careful. It's winter. You cannot go crazy. You can't go crazy. I just had to add this to the video, man. Y'all seen it, you know? Y'all seen it. If you're driving crazy, man, you live up north, east, New York, man, take it easy, man. Like, don't be a fool out here, man. Just take it easy. Man,